Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, March the 29th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather beautiful today, but another active day with thunderstorms on Wednesday. Let's go right to the upper air look across the country. It is a zonal flow and a dry air mass in place across the deep south. Pretty chilly to start the day. We've got some spots in the upper 30s, Haleyville and Pell City. Most locations in the low to mid 40s. We're expecting a high close to 70 today. Should be a beautiful day. There's the watch warning map across the country. Most of the issues involving wind and wildfire danger. All of the counties in pink, that's a red flag warning for the fire danger. And the counties in brown, those are counties with wind advisories or high wind warnings. Well, how about that? No thunderstorms today across the country. That sounds pretty good. But tomorrow, there is a marginal risk of severe storms from northeastern Texas into the mid-south. And on day 3, Wednesday, a marginal risk from the western Gulf Coast up into the Carolinas. This includes most all of Alabama. This is a level 1 out of level 5 threat. And we'll talk more about the specifics here in just a moment. This is the rain for the next 7 days. The west is relatively dry. Down here, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid today at 4 o'clock. Again, the main westerly wave action well to the north for now. It's a zonal flow, and again, a beautiful day, sunny with a high close to 70. Tomorrow, moisture begins to creep back in. Clouds will gradually increase. We'll be in the mid-70s. We could see a few showers over the southern half of the state. And then Wednesday, you can see a cold front approaching with a pretty good push of cold air behind it. That's a 1,032 millibar high. This is even suggesting maybe a few snowflakes in the mix over parts of southern Illinois and Missouri behind that front. So this is the high-res NAM valid Wednesday at 1 o'clock, and you can see a band of showers and thunderstorms coming through the state. Instability values ahead of the front are, marginally high. Got a couple of spots hitting 1,000 joules per kilogram around Montgomery. This is the storm relative felicity, and again, these numbers are not overly impressive for a spring system, but there could be a brief isolated tornado somewhere, and this is the STP. Numbers are basically running around 1 to 2 units. So on Wednesday, with a cold front coming in, we'll have the chance of a few thunderstorms with small hail, strong gusty winds, maybe an isolated brief tornado. Not a major threat like the ones we saw last week and the week before, but still just a day to be very weather aware. Thursday, we clear out nicely, and it's going to be noticeably colder. The high Thursday will be only in the middle 50s with a chilly north breeze, and you know what that means. By Friday morning, we're going to see a freeze in most places. This is Friday. The day will be, of course, clear. We'll start the day between 27 and 32 for most spots, which is not that odd for the 2nd of April. We almost always have a late season freeze this time of the year. So, my advice every year, if you want to plant something harmed by a freeze, I would wait until April 15th. We might have another one. But the day should be sunny, the high Friday around 60. This is Saturday, a sunny day with mid-60s, and Sunday, sunny with a high in the low 70s as the warming trend continues. Here's a week from today, Monday, April 5th. Good to see a ridge around here. That's going to keep us dry and mild with highs in the 70s. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, April 7th. Big ridge for the east, trough coming into the plain states, and we're still dry and pretty warm if this verifies. We could be in the 80s. Rain for the next 7 days, the mean, about 2 inches for Birmingham. And you can see the spike down Friday morning, 32 off the national blend of models. This is for the city. Many spots are going to be in the 20s. But look at that. We'll be close to 80 by the middle part of next week. And the latest CPC outlook, this is for April 5th through the 11th, showing temperatures around here above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.